Hey guys, I'm your streaming Sherpa, Walter for Neo-Defective Gaming, and today's video is about audio. I bet you're saying,
Yeah, I know.
but I'm not sure you really do. I've been watching some people stream lately and it's become apparent to me that these folks just don't bother making a smooth mix between game volume, mic volume, and music, if you do have music. I went to Los Angeles recording school in Hollywood, California. I've told you before. And since it is an audio-based school, the focus was on the subtle sciences and actual technology while also understanding the importance of how audio, when properly mixed, can change the perception and attention of the listener slash viewer. Sasha right now is taking a course on YouTube videos from Think Media, so shout out to them. And they listed what the most important aspect of any video is as far as steps and relevancy to them. Number one was audio. Harris Heller from the Alpha Gaming channel, shout out to him, and also Sam, listed audio as the #1 component to any stream. My school also had a neighboring school called the Los Angeles Film School. And what did they say the #1 aspect of movies was? Look, I think you get the point I'm trying to make. I hope. I want to help you guys and ladies achieve a respectful mix for all the elements that are in play when you're live. Your audience retention within the first 90 seconds, no matter how the video quality is, will be based off your audio. And people will likely stay when they hear your audio quality is better more than when they see your video quality is lacking. When people are lurking, sometimes they're just listening to you, and if you have a bad distortion, or maybe your music is louder than your game and your voice, or even at the same volume as your voice, it'll severely lessen the quality of your stream. You're probably thinking, well, I can't afford a $250 microphone. Well, the joke's on you, or mostly on you, because that $250 microphone that your favorite streamer is using is mostly for aesthetics. An example is Twitch only has a maximum sample rate of 48 kilohertz and a suggested bit rate of 192 kilobytes per second, we'll just say kbps. You can set your bit rate higher to 320 kbps, but that's a science and a video for another time. Just set your bit rate to 192 kbps and sample rate to 48 kilohertz. What this means in a nutshell is your Blue Yeti mic can sound just like everyone else's if your audio is properly mixed. Now, the better mics out there. You don't want to sound like somebody else's poopy mic. There are USB microphones that are better than others. For instance, right now I would say the Elgato Wave 3 is the best because it has a headphone volume, gain control, and mic/PC monitor crossfade. That's an advantage. That is an advantage over most because, I mean, the gain volume and having a headphone jack is just so important when it comes to hearing yourself. There's also an advantage to an XLR microphone in that it will be connected into a mixer, which can enhance your high ends, mid tones, and low ends on the spectrum of your voice. And it's not just your voice that's important. Your mic volume should be higher than your game and music volume. Your music volume shouldn't be much louder than your game volume that it completely drowns it out. Your sub, follow, donation, and bit widgets shouldn't be drowned out by anything excluding your microphone. There is a balance that needs to be achieved, and if you have to make an alternative sub account to get the mix right before you actually use your main, then I would suggest actually doing that. It's actually a really good practice. Also, pay attention to your gain and peak levels. Super important. If you're using a mixer and your volume is in the red, or you notice OBS volume of either your mic or gain is in the red, it's called peaking, which causes a crackling distortion that sounds terrible. It basically sounds like this.
Hi guys, how do I sound? Distorted.
So keep your maximum volume to a respectable level to avoid that. If you need help setting up your XLR mic, there's my mixer setup video right here to help you bring out your voice's maximum potential. There's a ton more I could say about this topic, but I'll touch base with you guys in a later video, or you can come by the stream at twitch.tv/neodefective every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night and post in my chat, or follow the link down below in my Discord and post there as well. It's right down there, guys, right down there. I've been Walter for Neo-Defective Gaming. Stay dirty, humans.